Oh, you went like that?
Okay, so
I sound like
we
Squidward.
have Chewy.
Hi guys, this is the blind tested popcorn challenge. Okay,
I'm Squidward.
here's our plate of popcorn with our mystery sauces. Ooh. All right, so let's give him the first one since it's already in the sauce.
Oh God.
Okay,
I think it's gonna be
open.
disgusting.
Guess what sauce it is?
Oh, I like that one. Maple syrup.
Yeah!
Ding, 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 question. All right, should we do, we'll just mix it up, all right?
No, a ton of it, a ton of it.
No, it's fine. All right, here's our next flavor.
That one's super good. I love it.
Hot sauce.
What kind
No,
of
what
hot
kind
sauce?
of? What kind?
Tapatio.
Nope.
Valentina.
Yep.
Okay, that was easy. Okay.
That tastes good. I like it. It's sweet.
Okay. Here's our next sauce. Can you like flip? Oh God, it's on my finger. Can you lick that off for me? Lick that off for me.
Chocolate.
Well, what type?
What do you mean?
What
What type?
type?
It's freaking chocolate.
Chocolate.
Yeah.
Oh, chocolate syrup?
Yep.
Okay. Is my face dirty?
No.
Just your lips. Just lick them. All right, here's this next sauce.
Okay, this better not be gross. Tuji's laughing.
Jesus!
Fucking disgusting. Why would you give me mustard?
You're so annoying.
What did I tell you about mustard? What did I tell you? I'm done. Nope, I'm not doing this anymore. You guys are gross.
You can't do that. You can't do that.
You can't give me mustard.
Jesus, you can't say.
I'm allergic.
Shut up. All right, hold
You're
this
gross.
phone.
Dude, how do you not like mustard? Mustard.
That's what
Fucking gross.
He's such a
I
hater.
only like it on hot dogs and burgers. That's it. Don't put it
I
on
only
nothing else.
like hot dog. I mean, on my corn dogs.
You know why I don't like it? When I was in 3rd grade, bro, I was eating my lunch, right? Tyshauna Burgess sitting next to me. She eating tuna. She's over here mixing mustard with mayonnaise.
So
And she's
what?
freaking mixing it all up with her nasty ass tuna. Then she starts eating it. It just starts stinking, and she's smacking her mouth, and she's spitting when she's talking. Couldn't eat after that, bro.
Mustard gun on the lunch sandwich.
I love mustard. It's the best sauce
I hate the
ever.
smell. It's just nasty.
It's very good for you.
Hot dogs and corn dogs.
Gross.
Burgers and bologna
It's good
sandwiches.
on sandwiches.
Man, I haven't bologna in a while.
It's good on potato salad
I know what that is.
and hot dogs.
Sprite.
I know.
Mustard and relish.
Recording? Why?
Okay, that is it for today's video. See you all later. Peace.
I had bologna when I first moved into the
Peace.
house.